brush here. We're gonna sneak up to it and call to them, see if we can get one of them to come. These coyotes should be just up over this hill. There's all sorts of fresh sign right here. Let me go take a look.
We got two of them.
All right, buddy.
We thought there was 2 out there, and there ended up being 3. So Josh and I had done a set earlier, and it was blank, nothing. And we just so happened to be coming up the highway and spotted them in this field that I can hunt. So we went and got Jason. He's with Nasty Customs. He makes all our paracord stuff. So we grabbed him and came out, and we got the wind perfect. We got an east-southeast right in our face. And they were out there bedded in a waterway. All we did is park the truck, snuck up here, got set up, and we tried a few different sounds, and we just couldn't get them to stand up with rabbit. And we had it back behind us, so we moved the collar, put it right in front of me. I blew lightning jack at them. That got their attention. Switched to pup distress, and they come running. I think the pup came screaming in. I shot a bigger coyote, and we almost got the 3rd, but 2 out of 3, we'll take that any day of the week.
Yeah.
So it's late January. It's colder as hell out here. It's just started snowing. Anyway, I think it's like a -5 wind chill or something. It's cold, damn cold. But we're gonna go pick these coyotes up. I think Jason's was about 80 yards. Mine was 135. We were gonna try and milk it. We had the wind perfect, but with Jason's coyote already coming through the fence, we didn't want to let it get too far and him not have a shot. So took what we could when we had the chance. It worked out.
Did. Good job.
Well, we finally got these coyotes drug up here. I ended up shooting a male. Jason, what'd you get?
Oh, looks like a small female. Probably
Nice.
girlfriend, wife.
It kind of got a little hectic. We were trying to decide how we were going to handle these coyotes, and you know, this one came a lot quicker than these other 2, and we were trying to milk it. We knew we had the wind, and that's I think what we did right about this stand is when you can realize the topography and you make note of the wind direction. These coyotes were completely upwind from us, running to us with the wind at their back. So this younger one was obviously more ambitious to come, and these older ones kind of stayed back a little bit, but ultimately it ended up working out. I used my new Furies from Vortex, and we knew the distances out there, and as soon as they got inside of 150 yards, Jason and I went to work. We didn't know if we were going to do the 1, 2, 3 bang or what we were going to do.
Well, it started out, you take left, I'll take right, and then number 3 popped his head up, and then the debauchery started. It's like, well, let's just shoot the first one and go from there.
It ended up working out. I told Jason I was going to take the back one. His was only about 70 yards or so we knew we had plenty of time to clean up on the close one. So I ended up shooting this back one. It was about a 135 yard shot, and then Jason got hit, dropped his, as you guys saw. So it's just fun getting out here. This is the first season we've been able to put these Alex Pro firearms guns to the test, and so far I'm impressed. Cold, hot, it doesn't matter. Shooting a 69 grain Sierra Match King bullet out of it, and shooting good. I think Jason's shooting a 55 out of his, and we're just happy with the way they're performing. So big male, mid-sized female. The 3rd one got away. You know, you can't win them all, but we're happy. We're happy how we handled this set, and I'm just glad I got to get back out here with Jason. He's been out of town for a while with his dad, and we want to dedicate this one to Dave Gibson. So this one's for him. So if you guys got a minute, say a prayer for the Gibson family. Jason and I are going to keep at it. We're going to see if we can keep killing these coyotes. So stay tuned. We're having fun.